Good afternoon, everybody. This is Karen Martz. And look, guys, we got the Moluccan Cockatoo, sulfur-crested cockatoo. Another Moluccan. Freedom is very pumped up. Hi, Freedom.
Hi.
There's Shelby. Hi, Shelby.
Hi.
Wow. Were these here last year, the sheds?
Hi.
I don't know.
Okay, here we go, Freedom. Look at all the birds, Freedom. Okay, we got our cockatiels. Is that Sherbet in there?
Yep.
Hi, Sherbet. Hi, birds. Hi. Hey, Freedom. Look at Freedom. Freedom, guys, is so excited to see all the birds.
Hi.
Hi, Freedom. I don't know what he's looking at. Hey, Freedom. Here's Freedom's new magnet, guys. Freedom the Parrot, Hilton Head Island, South Carolina.
Hello.
Hello, Freedom. Hello. Hi, Freedom. Freedom,
Hi.
look at the birds. Do you see the birdies?
Hello.
Okay, we're signing
Hi.
off with Freedom the Parrot. Have a great day.